Have you ever been in a race? Listen to this story and learn how to use tag questions for positive statements in the present and past perfect. I can't wait to run in the race on Saturday. You've signed up for it, haven't you?
Yes, I have. It'll be my first race.
I'm sure you'll do well. You've practiced running all year, haven't you?
Yes, I have. I hope I'll do well.
So what are tag questions? Tag questions are short questions that we put at the end of a statement. We use tag questions when we want someone to confirm or agree with something that we think is true. In tag questions in the present perfect, we use have or has plus the subject. He's been in a race, hasn't he? In tag questions in the past perfect, we use had plus the subject. You had practiced before you ran in the race, hadn't you? When a statement is positive, its tag question is negative. They've been to New York, haven't they? Here are more examples. You've received my package, haven't you?
I have.
She'd practiced a lot before she played in the concert, hadn't she?
Yes, she had.
Now it's your turn. Click pause and add a tag question to each of the following statements. This is American English. Thank you for watching.